In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to composite dimension renders in Photoshop. We'll start inside Adobe Dimension, create a layered render specifically for Photoshop, and then use the organized masks and layers to blend and fine-tune your scene with control and precision. Begin by launching Adobe Dimension on your desktop. Give the app a moment to initialize your libraries and 3D engine. If you're working on a heavy scene, it helps to close other intensive apps so Dimension can devote more resources to the render. Make sure your assets are available locally to avoid missing textures or slow network calls. Next, open your document. This is the scene you've already set up with your models, materials, lighting, and any background you plan to use. Before you render, confirm the camera framing is exactly where you want it. The resolution matches your output needs, and your environment lighting looks balanced. A quick pass to verify reflections, shadows, and material roughness in the viewport will save time later. If you've used an image as a background in Dimension, check that the perspective and horizon feel natural with your models. When you're ready, click Render in the upper left corner. In the render settings, select PSD 16 bits channel as your file format. Choosing 16-bit preserves tonal range and gives you more headroom for color and exposure adjustments in Photoshop with fewer banding artifacts. Pick a clear file name and target folder so you can find the output easily, and confirm your quality setting based on your deadline. Start the render and let Dimension finish the job. Render time varies with scene complexity. Once complete, save your file when prompted. Your file will open with your 3D models, the background image, and a set of masks organized in the Layers panel. This is where the compositing power kicks in. You'll typically see layers for your main render, shadows, reflections, and a group of selection masks. Toggle visibility to understand what each layer contributes. To target a specific object, load its mask by command-clicking or control-clicking the mask thumbnail. Then apply a curves or levels adjustment so only that object is affected. Use the shadow layer to deepen contact shadows and gently lower its opacity if it feels too heavy. Keep everything in 16-bit while you adjust exposure, white balance, and contrast for a seamless blend between the models and the background. If edges look too sharp, paint softly on a layer mask with a low opacity brush to feather transitions. Work non-destructively, name your layers clearly, and you'll keep the composite tidy and flexible. And that's the workflow. Render from Dimension as a 16-bit PSD, then harness Photoshop's organized masks and layers to refine your composite with confidence.